Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to build wealth and make smart investments, you've come to the right place. Today we're diving into 10 stocks that ChatGPT says could make you rich in 10 years. Remember to subscribe to the channel and tap the notification bell so that you're the first to know when we release a new video. We also want to remind you that this video is for informational purposes only, and it's not a recommendation to invest in any of the stocks mentioned. Always do your own research and consult with a licensed financial professional before investing in stocks or the stock market. Now, let's get started. You might be wondering, how did we come up with the 10 stocks in this list? Well, we got a little help from ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a powerful language model developed by OpenAI. It's trained on vast amounts of information from the internet, allowing it to understand and generate human-like text. For this video, ChatGPT helped us analyze and select stocks based on the following criteria. 1. Market position and growth potential. We looked for companies that are leaders or emerging leaders in their sectors, especially in industries with high growth potential. 2. Innovation and disruption. These companies are at the forefront of innovation, driving or benefiting from disruptive technologies that are reshaping their industries. 3. Financial health and profitability. Strong financials are a must. We focused on companies with robust balance sheets, consistent revenue growth, and profitability. 4. Competitive advantage. Businesses with unique products, technologies, or strong brands that give them a sustainable edge over competitors. 5. Management quality. Effective leadership is crucial. We looked for companies with proven management teams that have a track record of strategic execution and growth. 6. Market trends and tailwinds. We considered sectors benefiting from macroeconomic trends and societal shifts, ensuring these companies are aligned with future growth areas. 7. Valuation. Finally, we sought stocks that are currently undervalued or fairly valued relative to their growth prospects, offering good investment opportunities. With these criteria in mind, let's dive into our list of 10 stocks that have the potential to transform your finances over the next decade. First up is Nvidia Corporation. Ticker symbol NVDA. Nvidia is a powerhouse in the semiconductor industry, particularly known for its cutting-edge GPUs. These aren't just for gamers, they're essential for AI, data centers, and even autonomous vehicles. Over the past decade, Nvidia has shown incredible growth, with its revenue skyrocketing from around $4 billion in 2014 to almost $61 billion in 2024. With AI becoming an indispensable part of our future, Nvidia is well positioned for massive growth. Next, we have Shopify Inc. ticker symbol SHOP. Shopify is revolutionizing e-commerce by enabling businesses of all sizes to build their online stores. Since going public in 2015, Shopify's revenue has soared from $205 million to over $8 billion in 2024. As the e-commerce wave continues to grow worldwide, Shopify stands out as a key enabler for thousands of businesses. It's not just about revenue. Shopify is constantly innovating, expanding its ecosystem, and capturing a larger market share. At number 3 is Twilio Inc., ticker symbol TDWLO. Twilio is the backbone for many of the communication services we use every day. From messaging to video calls, Twilio's platform helps developers integrate these features into their apps. Twilio has been on a rapid growth trajectory, increasing its revenue from $167 million in 2015 to over $4 billion in 2024. With the continuous rise of digital communication and the growing importance of customer engagement, Twilio's potential is enormous. Fourth on our list is Square Inc., ticker symbol SQ. Square is transforming how we handle money, from point-of-sale systems for small businesses to the Cash App, which is making waves in digital payments and even cryptocurrency. Since its IPO in 2015, Square's revenue has grown from $1.2 billion to almost $24 billion in 2024. As the world moves more towards cashless transactions and digital finance, Square is leading the charge, constantly innovating in financial services. At number 5, we have Roku Inc., ticker symbol Roku. Roku is dominating the streaming platform market, especially in the US. Its user base has grown from 13 million active accounts in 2015 to over 85 million in 2024, driving revenue from $320 million to almost $4 billion in 2024. With more and more people cutting the cord and turning to streaming services, Roku's influence in this space is only set to expand, particularly as it diversifies its revenue streams through advertising and content distribution. Sixth on our list is CrowdStrike Holdings Inc., ticker symbol CRWD. In an age where cyber threats are escalating, CrowdStrike's advanced cybersecurity solutions are in high demand. Their cloud-based Falcon platform is a game-changer in protecting against cyber attacks. Since its IPO in 2019, CrowdStrike's revenue has climbed from $249 million to more than $3.7 billion in 2024. With cyber threats becoming more sophisticated, the demand for robust security solutions like those from CrowdStrike continues to grow. Next up is Zoom Video Communications Inc., ticker symbol ZM. Zoom became a household name during the pandemic, but its role in facilitating remote and hybrid work continues to be crucial. Since going public in 2019, Zoom's revenue has surged from $623 million to more than $4.5 billion in 2024. As companies embrace flexible work environments, Zoom services are here to stay, and its expansion into enterprise communication and platform enhancements make it a strong player in the market. Eighth on our list is Tesla Inc., ticker symbol TSLA. Tesla is not just an electric vehicle company, it's a leader in clean energy technology. From their innovative cars to solar solutions, Tesla is driving us towards a more sustainable future. Tesla's revenue has soared from $3.2 billion in 2013 to almost $72 billion in 2024. Beyond cars, Tesla's advancements in energy storage and autonomous driving technology are set to revolutionize the industry, positioning Tesla as a key player in the future of mobility and energy. Coming in at number 9 is Palantir Technologies Inc., ticker symbol PLTR. Palantir specializes in big data analytics, providing powerful tools to both governments and enterprises. Palantir has seen significant growth since its public debut in 2020. Palantir's revenue for 2020 was nearly $1.1 billion, and 2024 revenue is expected to come in at around $2.8 billion. As data becomes an increasingly valuable resource, Palantir's capabilities in making sense of complex data and driving decision-making is more critical than ever. Last but not least, we have Unity Software Inc., ticker symbol U. Unity is a leader in the creation of interactive, real-time 3D content, especially in gaming. Since its IPO in 2020, Unity's revenue has grown from $772 million to almost $2 billion in 2024. With the rise of gaming, augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, Unity is perfectly positioned to grow. Beyond gaming, Unity's technology is expanding into industries like automotive, film, and architecture, creating a vast array of opportunities. There you have it, our top 10 stock picks that could potentially make you rich over the next decade. These companies are leaders in their fields, driving innovation, and positioned for significant growth. Remember, investing always carries risks, so do your own research and consider consulting with a financial advisor. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, check out the 2 that appear on the screen. We think that you will like them too. Let us know in the comments which stocks you're excited about and why. We will see you in the next video.